Hi students, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to cover unique identifiers of computer network. As we all know, in case of computing and in case of network, there are some unique identifiers that helps us to uniquely identify our system or any type of network. Okay, as its name implies, unique identifiers. Okay, so in case of network we have some unique identifiers. First one is host name. Okay, as we all know, every device of the network is associated with a unique device. Okay, these are associated with a unique डिवाइस विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज द होस्ट नेम. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग इंटरनेट यूज़ करते हैं एंड वहाँ पे कुछ इस तरह की चीज़ें देखी होंगी, www.abc.com. Okay, so this is the host name. So this is unique for every system, right? This is unique for every website. हमने हमेशा देखा होगा कि कभी भी होस्ट नेम जो है वो दो वेबसाइट्स के सेम नहीं हो सकते हैं. इसका मतलब ये है कि इट इज़ जस्ट टू यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई सम वेबसाइट्स. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द होस्ट नेम. Also, in case of internet, a host name is also known as a domain name. Okay, and every website has a unique domain name, and this domain name is assigned to a host computer. It is generally assigned to a host computer. Okay, also host name is a label. It is what? It is a label that identifies a hardware device. This is hardware. Okay, a hardware device or any host on a network. Okay, and host names are also used in both. These are also used in LANs as well as WANs. Okay, LAN means local area network, and WAN means wide area network. ओके, इसका मतलब ये है कि होस्ट नेम्स को हम लोग लैन यानी कि लोकल एरिया, अगर कम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स है, कम रेंज है, इस तरह का कनेक्शन है, वहाँ पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे कहा www, यानी कि पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड लेवल पे जो भी काम हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे भी होस्ट नेम यूज़ हो सकते हैं. एंड ऑल आर यूनिक इन एवरी केस. ओके, एंड एवरी होस्ट नेम कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पार्ट्स. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ two parts. Okay, the first part is the local name. Which is www. For example, www.allaboutcsit.com. okay, so here www is a local name. Okay, and the second part is the domain name, and this is the first part, and the second part is domain name, that is all about CSIT. okay, when you combine these two parts you have the host name. Remember this point, it is a combination of these two parts. okay, and also host names can also be just the domain names. okay, for example, अगर आप लोग कहीं पे भी जाकर ये लिखते हो सिर्फ allaboutcsit.com, तो भी आप लोग मेरी साइट पे पहुंच सकते हो. यहाँ पे जो है हर बार लोकल नेम की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. ओके, एंड इन सिचुएशंस लाइक दिस द होस्ट नेम एंड डोमेन नेम आर द सेम, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो not required for the host names to correspond to the standards name that are associated with the certain functions. And also it is possible to make a host names like all about CSIT. okay, we can also make any host name like this. okay, and so if you browsed with your web browser to that site, you would still reach the content from my website, but you would reach it through another name. okay, remember one thing, that all the host names have their corresponding IP address, that is mapped to it. Okay, IP means internet protocol. This is also a unique identifier. Okay, and these host names are resolved to their IP address equivalent using the domain name systems. So this is about the host name. We will discuss next unique identifier, that is IP address, in the next video. I hope you like this. Thank you.